Hello, my name is Haruna Sintiki, and my innovative hackathon project is titled FadamaWise, an initiative for enhancing smallholder farmers' access to information and technologies in Borno and Yobe States, northeast Nigeria. This project aims to address climate change and provide green livelihood. The outline of this presentation covers the background, the objectives, action plans, activities, budget, partners, expected outcome, and references. Climate change is a pressing issue that demands immediate attention in Nigeria and the world at large. The World Bank estimated 26.5 million people across the country to face acute hunger in June to July to August 2024 lean season. This is a significant deterioration from the 2023 estimate of 19.4 million. In Borno and Yobe States, northeast Nigeria, about 4.4 million people are in need of food security assistance according to World Bank and World Food Programme. The Nigerian projected food security outcomes December 2023 to January 2024 shows Yobe and Borno states to be the worst hit in Nigeria with the crisis and emergency situations as seen on this map. In Borno and Yobe states, the National Bureau of Statistics and Federal Ministry of Agriculture on a survey estimated the number of farmers captured at household level either in the crop farming, livestock farming, poultry farming and fishery at 1.1 million people. Smallholder farmers in northeast Nigeria, however, face many challenges such as low productivity, climate change, market access, lack of information and skills. Existing technologies on crop-resistant varieties can help improve their crop yields and livelihoods, but they are often unaware or unable to access those information. There is a need for a network that can connect smallholder farmers with relevant information and training providers, as well as provide opportunities for employment and empowerment. Reaching rural farmers is a major challenge that was identified from interviews I had with some NGO staff that work within the Yobe and Borno state axis. Therefore, the main objective of this project is to create an application platform called FadamaWise that can facilitate a wider coverage, better information sharing strategies among smallholder farmers in Borno and Yobe states to make them aware of existing technologies that mitigate climate change and aids better crop yields. The specific objectives are to increase the awareness and adoption of drought-resistant seeds, improved production practices, and market linkages amongst the smallholder farmers, to provide training and capacity building on crop selection, input use, marketing, financial management and savings, as well as environmental and social impacts, to create employment and income opportunities for women and youth who are often marginalized in the region. So the action plan will be to send sponsored SMS that will be sent to the households in local dialects with a link to the FadamaWise app and a phone number of the closest training center. Also, sponsored caller tunes will be used that captured information on activities of the FadamaWise network. We will ensure that at least 100 households are reached on a monthly basis with such information. The proposed features of the app will be as seen in this demo. So this is the welcome page. Once you open the app, you get this. And there's a get started button. On clicking the button, you have information about crops, training center, and market information on the dashboard. The crops will now give you more information on crops like drought-resistant varieties, rain predictions, disease-resistant varieties, and other features that will later be added. The training centers will give you information on animal farming, on training centers that you can get crop farming information, and so on. The market information will give you information on where to buy products and where to sell your products. This is aimed at creating a network between the smallholder farmers. And this is the dashboard. The activities that will lead to the implementation of this app or the implementation of the program will be to conduct a baseline survey to assess the needs and gaps of smallholder farmers in the target areas, include the new found features that address those needs in the proposed FadamaWise application, and establish a network of local facilitators who will act as information and training providers for the smallholder farmers who will contact them. To develop and disseminate information materials on various topics such as drought-resistant seeds, production cycle, cash flow and profitability, organize training workshops and field visits for smallholder farmers on crop selection, input use, marketing, financial management and savings, as well as environmental and social impact. Monitor and evaluate the impacts of the project on smallholder farmers' knowledge, skills, attitude, and behaviors from the feedback. The estimated budgets for the project will cover the following costs, which is baseline survey, network establishment, information materials, training workshops and field visits, training and evaluation, contingency. So the project will collaborate with the following stakeholders, like the local agriculture institute, research institutes, the World Food Programme, and NGOs who will provide technical support and guidance on the best practices and technologies for smallholder farmers. Local government agencies and private sectors who will facilitate market access and policy advocacy for the smallholder farmers. Local media and community leaders who will help raise awareness and mobilize participation of smallholder farmers and their families. Lastly, the telecommunication service providers who will disseminate the text messages and the caller tunes on the networks within that region. The project is expected to address SDGs 1, 2, 8, 10, and 13 by creating increased awareness and adoption of drought-resistant seeds, improved production practices, and market linkages among smallholder farmers. To also create improved skills and capacities for smallholder farmers on crop selection, input use, marketing, financial management, and savings. Increased employment and income opportunities for women and youth in the agriculture sector, enhance resilience and livelihood of smallholder farmers in their communities. Thank you for your attention.